What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We got a package, Jack. How are y'all doing? Dude, this thing, I'm not gonna lie, this thing it's goated. I was driving it around with this. Went around the block a little bit. Me and Brian and I adjusted the brake. It still smells like we get a little burn. I don't know if that's because the exhaust is actually touching the frame just ever so slightly. You might be able to see it's touching the frame. Obviously, this is not the greatest recording. I apologize. But, in this package, if I can... We got gloves. Nah, for real though. We got... Oh... I'm so mad right now. Well, it might actually work. It didn't look like this would fit in here, but it does appear to be. So, yeah, it gets like one thread in. No. Dude, the thread pitch is like similar. It just seems a little bit too big. That's what she said. Man. So I was just thinking, why can't I just do that? You know? I can 100% just do that. We take this, we cut it, we get our wire from over here. We put it back in here, mount it back. Oh, actually this goes in here. Yeah. Yep. Put that in here, remount everything, run this to where we want it to be. I can't speak. And then literally just attach. Boom. Bop, these two with a little T, bam, problem fucking solved. Problem fucking solved. All right, well, we got 20 of these beautiful little boys from Amazon. They did lose my order, so it took like 3 days to get here, which is a little unfortunate because it should have been the same day, which is crazy to me, but it is what it is. They can't be perfect, so yeah, let's go ahead and okay, so this will have to be cut once we kind of determine what we're gonna do. Once we cut it, we're gonna have to put this golden piece back over top. I guess we don't need to, but I think it would just be a better option maybe. Okay. Now that sits like so. Okay. Come on now, brother. Okay, well, it works out because, I mean, we could just use the sheeting from, did we use it? I don't know, man. Fuck. We could just leave it like this, leave it wire exposed. Yes, sir. It's making progress. So, wire sheeting, it's gonna stop right here, which is like whatever, it's not a big deal. And then we're gonna have to put these right here, wire nut them together, and then we'll have fucking movement, bud. And then we should be able to drive this bad Jesse. Yeah. Yes. We're cut. Let's go ahead, take this off for now. I don't think it necessarily matters, but we're gonna do it anyways. It's on there. I think it'll be a good stopper for these as well. Oh, well, we lost focus. It's the one thing I don't like about the phone. It's normally pretty good about swapping focus around, but in the last video when I was editing, I noticed it wasn't doing a really good job of it, so. And some of the stuff looks a little blurry, but it is what it is. Let's go ahead, get this open, and then get one of these on here. I paid $7 for like 20 of them. maybe less. Actually, I think these were like $4. I don't know, but you slip your wires through here and then you lock it, and we got a bunch so we can, you know, make revisions, and or if we need them in the future, we have them now. We don't have to worry about it. So that's why I hate the phone. So you slide it over, and then I can't two-hand it, dude. I can't two-hand it. That's the problem. All right, let's go take a look. So this is what you have here, right? You got a little nut bolt situation with a hole in it, and then it just got 2 lines through it. If we pull it, we get this to move, which is what we want. We got throttle. Well, this little guy is honestly probably the most annoying thing I've dealt with in a minute. No matter how taut I get it, like, I mean, you see, obviously, if I pull here, it snaps back. It snaps back. I think it's something to do with the line. The line's not long enough or too short. But I do this, look how slow it is to snap back, or I have to manually snap it. So it is what it is. I think for the sake of I want to ride it, I'm going to just manually snap it back, and we're going to try to take it for a ride for now. The only thing that sucks is I still don't have a microphone, so you might be able to hear me, you might not. I have it set to wind only mode because the GoPro is always sounding like doggy shit. So maybe on wind only mode, it might sound better. And maybe we could get some more raw, like, Rebel 500 videos or something like that, because after this video, I don't really know what to do. I'm fully fucking fledged out. I mean, I guess we got this and this and this other lawnmower to figure out. So areas of concern: the kill switch is all the way down here. Concern number 1. Concern number 2, we are on manual snap, but we should be limited. We shouldn't be able to get full. I don't know, we might be able to get full open. This may still rub, so we might stink. Or this is the issue, and it's heating up the paint and all this, and it's not safe to breathe. Either way, we're gonna give her a test ride on a GoPro mode. Torquey still? I think we're leaking gas. Unfortunate. We might just have to take a link out. Yeah, something moved. Engine. Oh, we're not on up here either. Fuck. Yeah, it is a little loose. Unfortunate. I think we lost throttle. Oh yeah. Okay. She gonna be tightened. Fuck. It's always something. There's always something. At least it avoided my leg. That's all that mattered. And she didn't go far. And we didn't go far. Kylie's gonna be so sad that we can't ride it. Surely we get enough speed on the hill to face The carnage, bro, it fucking snapped. This boy, we might have to get the torque converted. Might have to get the torque converted. It's like your bike, if it doesn't have a chain, it doesn't work. The chain snapped. I'll just take the link off and put another link in. But it shouldn't be exactly. That's the that's the issue. Is trying to understand why it snapped.
And how?
Well, we know how. I was giving it gas.
Going down the hill, it like clanked on something.
No, because it like snapped. It got torqued. You see how it's bent?
Oh.
You see how it's bent? Yeah. So it bent, and it went dink, and it snapped and flung off. Thankfully, Daddy's got this. You can see where it hit it. It hit my leg too, but
oh, so that's how you know it fell off.
You want to grab that? We were so close. I think I might have to get a new part. I'm going to have to get like a torque converter, Kai. Probably get a disc brake for the wheels. I mean, the rear I do have a disc setup I could do. The front though is another problem. I don't think having a disc just for the rear is a smart option, huh? Fuck. Fuck, bud. We were so close. Oh. It didn't even snap at the master, which is even more wild. It torqued it, brother. Alrighty, it is the next morning. I don't know if any of that GoPro audio worked or not, but I'm sure you've seen. We had too much torque majorca, baby, and this shit snapped. So, yeah, it's unfortunate. We snapped the chain. Thank God for that cover, because it slowed down the smack a little bit, because it smacked my leg and it still fucking hurt. And if that cover wasn't there, I probably would have had to go to the doctors. They probably would have cut me up pretty bad. So, unfortunately, it is what it is. We got to ride it. It runs. We have throttle. The throttle is a little ghetto, but I'd say we're accomplished overall. It's a very accomplished video. The other issue is the seat. Give me 1 minute. I was just on cinematic mode, so I hope that video looks good. Well, if we go down here, you can see this part is only held in by a regular fucking screw. So it kind of lifts off and wiggles around, and it causes it to feel like you're like drifting and your weight shifts too much, and the wheel kind of loses itself. So that's a problem and a half to fix. Overall, though, I'm happy with how far it's come in the last 3 weeks alone. Like, it's running, driving. Obviously, it's not going to run and drive at the moment. I might get a torque converter that mounts right here. And then, it, chain torque converter to torque converter. And I don't think we need the chain roller. That's way over there. So, yeah, dude. Again, hopefully you all enjoyed. If you did, please like, share, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. And we'll be back hopefully next Friday with another video where I don't know if we're going to be doing anything with this guy, if we're going to be riding the motorcycle, the go-kart, or what. But we'll be doing something. Maybe working on the John Deere. Yep. Peace.